motivation, guys. Monday motivation. Yana guys, na ke bone hore batho ba kene. A ke tse wetsa lang ka. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Come on guys, get on. Maria Ngwato, Ote. Tensi. Rantamani. Puleng Padi. And the dupes. Melang. Guys, dumelang ke kopa fela re shape Monday motivation ka speed fela ne ke kopa ke shape Monday motivation this morning ne ke tswa ke nyahaminyana so wa bona Didi halala Monday pastor Shibue are my pastor Vuelwa are good morning Didi wena Vuelwa mbitani umfonele qetetsa Monday motivation mon ha ke o bona ke re ke mo bana so fanda ga ke tswa ke le ha ke wile moya man asses yo fanda go tla ke tswa ke wile moya yo somebody with last time yo ona rena ke modile moya jwale ka ntho yes man tsa dialoma go ye more mantsa tato hatsi galalelo morena yo ke tse ke mang yona ke morena ke swa ke tse Katie Dina Lizzie Abi good morning guys ke re fanda ga ke tswa ke wile moya man hal ke wile moya wa bona her ke tswa ke wile moya ha bohloko fanda wa bona and then so antse ke dutse ke nahana ke ntse ke robetse ne ke qeta o alola ke la tswa rona ke motho di shititse tshwiwa ke la hopola guys white sheet la hopola ke nna ke re jetse ka ra ke motho di kubo tse grey no la bona mos white sheet white whatever ke tse libitsa white sheet ka pa eng nna ke tse libitsa ntho tse alola so ntse ke alola no wa bona before ke alola ke tswile and then be ke cleaner then I got out cleaner so ke a kropa ke a phumula di stain fats wa bona because I got into fail then I qetile so kutwa moya wa ka o ile man a le kutwa o ile ma so ke hopola motho mong a re ho nna ke modile moya jwela ka golf tsa makalati a re moya wa yo fatsi jwela ka di golf tsa makalati so le nna kutwa moya wa ka o le fatsi jwela ka golf tsa makalati today man tsela tse drop way wa bo manja wa re are ati wa isake eng mo wa fatshe o entse mosebetsi mo tlema ba no ya ke sebedisa mabani into video ya ka ya like Friday ya Friday mpona rwa editor somewhere it disappeared in the Facebook and then maobane service ya ka onare ontompona rwa editor maobane service ya maobane it disappearing so I get to wait and so marumpho itso itla check so ke kopa le qoqela man guys so moya wa ka o fatshe jwala ka golf maku ya ntho ya makhalati ne tsena tse dropuwe so ke a nahana mara ke ngetsa re moya wa ka o be fatshe wa bona ke ngent kutlong hel moya wa ka o fatshe bana ba and then so ke ntse ke batla o check out why moya wa ka o le fatshe ne it's a Monday motivation anyway this thing it will help you also. I know some of you it will also help you take it ne so ke ana normal why moya wa ka le fatshe so ke meditate ne then ke ana okay ke dintho tse ntse ke dinahana because ke tswile ke nahana dintho tse ngata today o bona ke tswile ke nahana dintho tse ngata ke tswa fa le bolella lona ka mokgwa le ratang taba tsa batho ke tswa fa le bolella man ke na nne ntho tse ngata today wa bona and then especially personal life ya ka o bona ntse ke nahana ka personal life ya ka ntse ke nahana hore o etsalang personal life ya ka o bona so ke share nyane ke share ha lona mara lona ke le tshepi man le rata taba tsaka wa bona okay so one of the things ke nahana amongst everything ntse ke nahana ka ona ntse ke nahana ke wa tseba hona le di thing re ratang o etsa rona batho spending time alone until you become comfortable and ububa ube so much comfortable about your space so I guys I get who dangerous to spend nako engata until o tloyela ube bile uba comfortably ube u enjoy your own space yo ke tla bua ka yona ka tsatsi le leng but that thing is very dangerous guy spending time alone guys that thing is very dangerous okay ne ntse ke nana ka ntho ne ya spenda nako re se ke spendile nako ha holo ke di one number 2 ntho dangerous ke di break up divorces tse ke nana ka tsona bona hore this thing they are affected man they are really affected and di tsamaya di destroy the trust tsa rona o bona to an extent ne ke qoqa le somebody before ke kere ke mo ba ke mo jwetsa ke you know nowadays cerebral the risk when you want to commit yourself in a relationship or counter the risk pele man you become so much worried at the risk or what if you know I was sharing this thing le motho in a total number one care and you know what is painful now was not like that now ne ke go with the flow wana rona ne ke if I give it pilomba today ne ke fitla ke ba husband ibile ne ke total that person wa bana ke now I used to call myself a husband to somebody ne ke tjho jwalo ke now I'm a husband yeah somebody I don't know who is that person but I used to say now I'm a husband yeah somebody but I came to be so ne ke pizza that thing because I was that person and I believe or ha ke fitla bophilong ba motho I committed car ditlo wa bona so ha ke le tseleng ke share le this person or but the divorce dinali ntho le di break up dinali they are affected and re aware and that is why now at the end of the day re qeteletse se rena le di fears when you want to commit yourself una le di fears una le bo what if what in wa bona so I thought about I mean ne ke bua le motho maobane ka nthotseng so today ke tswa ke dinahana mthutsena tsa ho dula ke le mong spending time together the disadvantages ke nana le ntho tse di challenges sa ka tsa kerekeng ke nahana so much wa bona until ke utlwa ke le fat now nene agree ke nahana but I'm not aware hore dintho tse ntse ke di nahana surely but surely didn't affect man di affect ene di dire moral wa ka di etseng so o tla this thing ya dint ntwe ke rata o demonstrate ka yo ke rata o demonstrate ka ntwe kere most of the time ena ke kelello ya hao ena ke kelello ya hao ne this is your mind ena ke kelello ya hao. Now, ke rata hore ha ke demonstrate ka ntho ke re Satan o etsa so ha batla hore discourage ha batla hore sebetsa oh this is your mind ne this is your mind. Satan o etsa so o lahlela something in your mind o bona o lahletse something ka ra kelelo ya hao and this thing if we far attention now this thing we far attention ke yona no e tlo dominate kelelo ya hao a ke tsebile re le bone when Satan abatla re frustrate Satan o re fa o lahlela something in your mind ha qeta lahlela something in your mind and once you give that thing attention that thing it will dominate kelelo ya hao. Sheba ke lahletse panado ka ra metsi now bona metsi a jwang then ke lahlela yena mo and then immediately now when we check metsi both of them metsi na ka bedi ba ona ana li panado ke lahletse panado but ana bona a jwang abamputso ne but ana ona still ana li antsa le light ne wa bona ana now both of them metiana ke lahletse di panado ho but when we check ana amaputso ana antsa ale light nyana ne you know why now ho tla something ya hore ntwe dangerous ke hore one of the thing is dangerous maphelong a rona ke dintho tse re meditateang ka tsona wa bona ke lahletse panado metsing a ke be ke itlwella and then e be melta and then a qetile e be this e affecta metsi ana a qeteletse a le jwang a le affected but the same panado ke lahletse ka mona but a qeta e lahlela ka mona ke ile ka intsha very quick wa bona ka intsha very quick ka mona panado eno ke ntshitse wa bona ha ke a dumella hore e dule nako e telele ka ra metsi ana now ho tla ntho hore kelelong ya ka ntse ke ditse mona hore November ntho e tla etsang hore o be down o be because kanete ne kutla ke le down and then a qetile kutla moya wa ka le fatshe and then kutla ke se happy and then kutla ke le emotional obo and then I find myself ke le emotional nyana so I was not okay kanete no before get a Monday motivation now ho tla this thing hore November o meditate ka what is in your mind and that thing e ka rakelelo ya hao kinto e motivating kapa kinto e discourageang what is in your mind is something that motivates you or is something that discouraging you. Now here's the thing, this morning I saw which cow fella now I think I was something understanding tenor ntotsa radical tsa rona wa bona ke Monday today you need to be very careful of what is in your mind ke ing ntwe ka rakelelo ya yo meditating ka yo. What is in your mind this Monday intone esengqondweni yakho this morning ke ing ntwe ka rakelelo ya because if only kara if hona lento e negative unahana dintho tse negative unahana dintho tse etsang hore be peace. I don't know whether it's a sense. I give you network. Now, I think we need to be very careful, guys. Or fapon renahana lona ba ditseng ba le bang now lona ba ka ra di office lona ba mosebetsing lona ba ka tlong lona wherever mo leng teng. You need to be very careful of onahana mo udutsing there, because ke example le kare ke lahletse panado ka mona and then big science, but that panado because it dutse mo e qetelletse e affectile metsiana e chinchile metsiana. Now ke be ke lahlela panado ka mona, the same panado be ke ntsha ka speed very quick be ke ntsha. Now saying ikeni panado hina ka rametsiana, but I did not allow it. Ha ke I dumela hore e dule nako e telele. Let me repeat this demonstration again. Ke go pa remote ke go pa yetsa ke go pa yetsa guys. Skela tsamaya skela tsamaya. Skela tsamaya wa bona ke now Satan was all you saying. Satan this morning o throwile something, the thought o throwile just something in my thoughts. Wabon Chena kia then kibeki 12 mtwe wabona dinto tse ki di 12 lets. Now shabadieta everything a negative, everything a negative it affect could it affect everything. Bona panado ene bona it affectile metiana kaofela, affectile glass e chinchile now because kore let's say kwena o tloletse that negative things hore e dule ka rakelelo ya hao. That negative things ha iqata o dula ka rakelelo bona e etsang e affectile metiana jwang la bona metiana affected ka hore a chinchile altogether. So that is why today some of us reaching Chile, some of you as we speak, you are like you are down, you are miserable or frustrated. Whatever your weight will let it will affect you. You will it dominate in your mind. It depends on key into you. If it into negative, if it into book, it will affect you like this. Now let me show you something. And now here's the thing. Omu otare. Kia na emwe. Now kitola sela ntwena mo. Kia. Immediately ntwani en negative kapa e discourageang ikena ka rakelelo ya hao. Then immediately ubosebetsana le yona we ntsha ntwe negative ka rakelelo ya hao. So utimentwani en negative to dominate your life kuri uitime monyetla lento e negative ntwena e negative ntwena e utlwisa bohloko ntwena e utswa peace yao we ntshitse immediately. You did not give that thing enough chance hore ibe qetelletse it affectile the emotions, it affectile emotionally, it affectile mentally, it affectile spiritually. But yona until it affect this whole board. So what I'm trying to say this morning, guys, I've learned that this morning there are negative things. Totseng kutlisa bohloko nje tse gutle ding filisa down no tse kileng ka di entertain. I allowed Satan hore at least dintho tse ding kelelong ya ka, and then ka qala ke ba down, ka qala ke wa moya, ka qala ke ba so down discouraged and kelelo ka ke ma mo gutlang hore the problem ke dintho tso nahanang ka tsona. Now November kwena, now you are draining your peace, you are draining your happiness, you are draining, and now haseba to ba draining your peace. Then haseba because I'm alone montlung. Haseba to ba draining peace yak. Haseba to ba draining happiness yak. I'm the one who's draining my happiness, my peace, my in. You know get the drainer guys, get the drainer ka din toto ki di nahana. So this morning guys, if you want to be frustrated this Monday, if you want to be frustrated, kapa, you want to be happy, sit down and check what is in your mind. What is in your mind? It will bring positive energy more when, or it will bring a negative energy. And little color the beke lily miserable. Little color beke lily miserable, guys. If you are not careful into a. And my man, because that thing is in your mind, now it's going to be your responsibility to take that thing out of your mind, because it's in your mind. And whether getting to the Toy Dika rakelelo ya hao. Whether getting to the Toy Buile, getting to the Nahana, they are in your mind. Now, which means because they are in your mind, now when they are responsible to deal leading to them who didn't take rakelelo ya hao. You are responsible to deal. And happy for you who do drain it, do je, zinto, esingondo inako. You are also responsible because so we need to be very careful this morning, guys. Kidi feeding to we need to be very careful. Kidi feeding to meditate meditate a positive energy kappa a negative energy, because if you think about negative things, it will attract a negative energy. You will be negative. Feel like today kitule kutakisa batenese kenya hami fela kutakisa kitule kenya until kishegor marki inyenyamisa. That's when ki realize November kidi ntotuntu na katon yuntoli bizo na jolo na di nonsonso ona di ntotu ona na urwa na so no na in. That's when now literally so down. So guys, this morning I'm advising you, it's very important to sit down and check as we speak. Now this morning, Monday, sit down and check what is in your mind. Doesn't matter. You know what is painful again? Sometimes because Rinaloko Kalebato, Babambator Blela di Totebusuko, but Bato Jesare, somebody na Buakawena in. And Utolo as is in the Shadow Mondo near to a Kanaba kidding to Batwadi Bile, Kapakidin Toto, Batbadi and say, Bowie and Ona, they are in your mind. But the sad part, if you don't deal with on, let's meditate on. Diko dissolve. Diko let it affect your mind. Diko affect your energy. Diko affect your strength. Diko as we speak, some of you go office now, but you are so down. You can't even work. You can't even think. You are so down because of the internet already nahana. So ready Allah dudule karadikele. So this morning, guys, let us be careful. Rinahana kai umeditate kai moli wanite. Ukinga ngantoni indoni lento yakuyipe attention engqondweni na ke into ena you feeling attention karakelo lawo itlisa energy ejwa itlisa a positive energy kapa itlisa a negative energy. And you must remember, if now your energy, your strength, your your excitement if a deal say about it's just a negative thing. A would strength how a jang your positive your image it your excitement your peace in this so guys, this morning doesn't matter the weekend it doesn't matter weekend it doesn't matter because it doesn't matter doesn't matter your relationship your things they don't go the way you want. It doesn't matter, but let us not allow those things to affect, to stay in our mind. Doesn't matter. Let us not allow those things to stay. Let's try whatever that is negative. Let's try for the sake of your peace, for the sake of your happiness, for the sake of a positive energy. We need to deal living to them. You know, this man because every Friday and Saturday Kilisutu gets at 1-on-1. So that only 10 years alwana de Masaduai. 10 years alwana de Masaduai. Hagimu botar odile modika or 061 name. And then ulwan nele Musaduai, Musadua Mujuala, Musadua cheetah in. So ibile odana hana ore abulaye the boyfriend ya Musaduai. Because why Thiba so nana alo bulayan that yaratanang le Masadua. So Kirunda Kirono, let me tell you, let me be honest to you on that. Keritogus only 10 years usebetala le issue Masadua. Keritogus Masadua has a wrong. You are the person who's wrong. Kerikwe nano ya wrong. Keri, you spend 10 years trying to fix your wife. 10 years. Or try to fix your marriage. Now, until today, how soka ohona fix Masadua. After 10 years, how soka ohona umulukisa how so mohone. Kere now the problem I said Masadua problem kere because you invested energy 10 years trying to fix a person. Now stop at the fix them to sit down and now deal with because there's a difference who look is a moto who dilana le moto lu dilana lue when now easy to deal with because when now you are in charge for yourself when now in charge for when I na get when now you are in charge when because when you try to fix to correct and to fix somebody, you will be frustrated because when ubwale moto advise amutu to samutu kapabata uchincha moto. When now tola sela the idea tola sela the plan or no yes I change so. But it's difficult for you to change the person. Now but when who is because when you are in charge for you are responsible for you when and decide until you make a decision now this time usebetsane le mosadi wa hao na kwetelele batho hlile go sebetsana le wena but until you sit down usebetsana le wena. So in short guys, dinto tseding I want to say tseding tsadinto we are in charge. If dinto do frustrated do frustrated yet when now you are in charge for your life go na ka decide ngore mare ke batla o lokisa bophelo ba ka so le so ke batla o change dintho. So let us make sure that everything that affect your energy, that affect your mind, that affect your strength, that affect your emotions, everything that affect you, especially they affect them. Dilana le tsona gona go gae, have a way ya o dilana le tsona o bo qeteletso di ntse ka rakelo le yago, because the more di entertain di tla affect, believe me. Ke ona mantswa ka o qetela ke ona mantswa ka o bulenka le bolela ngwana guys this morning. Mantswa o qetela ke hore ke ne ke bui ntho ngwe ka re, one of the thing that can help you, it's when unale matla di makelelo ya ke kopa ke a kwala. One of the things that can help you, it's when you have an authority over your mind. Joan, somebody can know if you Joan. Somebody can. Skeleton. Harbaka having an authority over your mind. Let's say whoever the colleague kapa family kapa marriage kapa is throw something ilahlela kapa satano ilahlela something in your mind, ne? You are responsible to say you are responsible to say why ke tshwantse ke nahane ka ntwe. You are responsible or no, why ke tshwantse ke nahane ka ntwe. Now having authority over your mind, when you are in charge in your mind. When you are in charge, Kelello in charge. As much Kelello how inahana everything, but you are in charge. You are the one who's in charge. I used to do that. I'm still doing that. And because I'm in charge, we play like November. November, November, frustrate you know why? Because I'm in charge for my mind. I'm the one. There is nothing wrong with Kelello. It attracts nonsense because you must remember Kelello Taruna. Skeleton. Kelello Taruna. Dieta so. Kelello Taruna. Kita Kelello Taruna. They are like net. But what's around net? Balatan di kapi. What's around di kapi? Kanto. Ka di net. Balashela net karameti. Net ebe. Now, how about Pamisa net? Utotolori. Ki kan krapa. Ki fish. Ki karanet. Ho tletse dintho tseo ba di hloka, tse ba di hlokang le tse ba sa di hlokeng. So there is nothing wrong with Kelello inahane nonsense. There is nothing wrong, because you must remember your mind is all over. It's like a net. Kelello ya hao it's finally net. Lefatshe le tshwana le luak. Now lefatshe le tshwana le luak. It's like a sea. Ke luak lefatshe. So our mind ke di net tsa rona. So there is nothing wrong with net ya hao e attracted le di nonsense. The same way when batho ba tshwara ditlhapi ba sebedisa net, but bo thola ba tseba bona target ya bona go tshwara ditlhapi ba funi ntlanzi, but tlo thola ha ba qeta go phamisa net kara net ha se ditlhapi fela hona le tseo ba tsa dihloke. You know ba etsa eng? Because they know net ena ke ya bona. Ba decide we don't want this one, 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 we want this one, we want this one. Ba decide okay, tsena tsona ke tsona tse re di hlokang ka ra net ya rona. So le rona ha ke re you need to be in charge for your mind. Kwa no tlo decide gore markelo laka una ne nonsense tsena ka ofela. Una ne nonsense tsena ka ofela. Una ne good things, bad things, positive things, negative things. Now, when who is in charge? Ya tshwanela gore a be in charge or I don't know why it's something in an account to him. Let me forget Kayon. Why it's something in an account to him? Let me forget Kayon. It's like when Babambaluna Hanaka Excel. And you know your relationship will never be okay. Who fedile, but Usanto we far attention into him. We far attention. Whatever u divorce it. Whatever monna wa unyetse. Whatever dintho tsa hao di fedile, you know hore but dintho tsena they will never be okay, but still dintse di le jwalo o santse di feel attention in your mind, o santse di bulukile, o santse meditate ka tsona. Nna the reason why you need to be in charge, what ba ke etsa ke decide as much ke le kana like this morning ke le ka tsho sen kana hana hore kana dintho tse nkutlwisang bohloko tse jwang tsa drain, but immediately I had to think. And that is why I can send this Monday motivation, because I had to get a self-introspection or what is in your mind in November. Meditate and I guess I want to meditate again. Can't for normal meditate again nonsense. And that is why now killing so down. So because I'm in charge, I had to sit down. I give a Monday motivation. I'm not going to be the same. I get miserable because now I had to deal leading to Kelello yaka. Say negative, say draining a positive energy yaka in. So Liluna guys, be sure, make sure that know how to deal and Kelello have ebale matla dima kelelo ya hao. Number 2, ebale matla dima minahano ya hao le mehopolo ya hao. Have that to dominate, have an authority so that normal. You must make a decision so that I'm not going to give you attention now. But if you don't have the authority over your mind will decide it will make decision for you. And you know that is why I'm about to because now your mind is controlling you. Mind close the door, be alone, because when you allow your mind to make decision. And the sad part, it is not always the decisions are right. Sometimes the they can be wrong. But if you don't have an authority over your mind, what do I call it? Even if your mind you throw it to the wrong thing, but because now you don't have the authority over your mind, you are going to follow your mind. I remember one day there was a time when I long time ago. My mind told me November Ipulai useless. And ka ke nka thapo ndi bopa intambo ke tlamela thapo ka mo ka moreng ya ka but ke ntse ke dula Freedom Square ke tlama thapo because kelelo ya ka ne re honna November you are useless ipulaye there is nothing will change ka bophelo bao nothing and because ne ke trust kelelo ya ka and ne ke sna matla odima kelelo ya ka I had to do what was in my mind that time ki tlama thapo ke re ke ipolaye until ntate modimo nthusa. So have an authority over your mind. If you want to survive, laula kelelo ya hao. When you feel out this kelelo ya ka inana nto good, then yes. But if you feel out mar kelelo ya ka mona inana nonsense, now have that power and authority over that mind ya hao, and then we cool. Thank you so much, guys. Kaneta ke tsibi ke likile o bua le lona, hopefully nkutlwile ba bang ba lona. But this morning ke a le kopa hlokomela hore ke dintho tsa ka ra kelelo tsa lona ba hlokalletsweng. You have lost your family aka se hlola gotlile. If you have lost your mama aka se hlola gotlile. If uno pata your friend, your family uno mo pata, it was a funeral, you need to move on because it won't change. And for you to think and to meditate kayona, you are affecting yourself. You are affecting yourself. You are affecting your energy. If you know divorce a Friday, if last week it was your final divorce, accept that. Accept whoever you mulus accept, especially when situation was a change. Don't even waste your time to meditate kason. Yes, sit like on a jola, kilahleti dispri come on, ne? But in seats, that doesn't mean metiana haka ifila or disprinility. Panado kapaki dispri. Yaki panado. There's no way. Come on, someone can lahleti as much in seats. Itla bonsa or marmetia anana sante. Now, this thing kiblela or how blelure dintotena, they will never affect us. Let's say divorce, let's say your marriage, your relationship, your loss, lose it whoever. That doesn't mean it won't come in your mind. That doesn't mean it will never pass in your mind. They will always pass. They will always come back in your mind. But it's dangerous. You defer attention. The only thing is dangerous. Go far but to be for attention. That is the only thing is dangerous. There is nothing worry until you have lost your mom. It will cross. It will always cross. It will fade. It will pass. It will fit in your mind. Can I lose my mark? Can I lose boyfriend? Can I lose linyalo lak? Can I lose banabak? Can I lose musebets? These are greater, but it's dangerous. It's when also meditate with the attention. Say you like Kelello. That's when now they can affect her. So guys, please, thank you so much. Bless. I was very tired. Very tired. Keep that on a Red Bull, and then, like I said, the spirit sagas and still fats in a good fella is right. Kinya Hami Kedua. But I had to sit down and check or Ki Inya Mr. Luena Hagikwala Mana. Please, guys, sit down and check or key into it would rain and give into some PCR, and then Patela cure. Let us learn or as you do change. If Leona no reka itseba, we will be okay. Hona leading to the Lukis, on change. And let's one at the tsebe into the Kelello to Kigumari change. Zazi, it's even because this thing we use less or we keep it in your mind. My roots about who can say change. You are just wasting your time to keep something in your mind. But to about this thing, that's a whole change. That's a whole way fatal. Guys, thank you so much. Tadem Ali bless. Next time, let's get the right pick from the Haman Tibu. Let's get the right pick from the Haman Tibaka 6, guys. one day tla to bua ka o tloela space, the danger o tloela space, because ke ngwe ya dintho tse ke boneng Satane a re tloedita all of us. Satane re pushetse tabeng ya re tloele space tsa rona, and batho bohle ba tloetseng di space tsa bona ka o fela bona bana le bothata bo tshosang, bana le bothata bo tshosang. Mutumpile Romans chapter 12 verse number 1 and 2. Kuparema Romans chapter 12 bana beso ka baka la mogau wa modimo ke a le rapela gore le ineele modimo le se hlole le phelang okay guys, thank you so much. Ke kopa rapela le lona fela then ke le lokolle modimo le bless. My number for those ba batlang go bua le nna, if le batla counseling, if balo ha marolona guys ko lona ke tlabe ke dutse mona ke le root ke counselor ke etsa wa tsona le mme one fela ke le ngam romella tšhelete ya re Novi, you are like our counselor. I don't mean Romela 2000. This woman, Dr. November, you know, you are doing a great things, my pilongalo, Aruna. You know, you are transforming our mind, our truth, you are like a psychologist, you are like a counselor. Aban Romela Chelet, yo, Luna. Kon le tlabe le tlola lo kon Romela Chelet breakfast and a LinkedIn hampihle. And on tetana tabodi di life motho life, it is not always radiator rebatla radiator ka bakala lona, like we say the way ne ke wile ka teng tsa batle next mar lona yo lentena hore gore motho tla le fa counseling, a le first session ya counseling gore a le motivate, a le etseng le tlo re God bless you ka ntho ka di comment yo le tlo re thank you, you are so good, you are so powerful, thank you so much, you are so lona lentina yo anya ditina hle yo I lantina hle yo kwere it's only bo KZ ene mo ke bonang di batho bana ba etsang demand motive batho bana ba tla ba fuwa di gift lona ai kwere batho ba fuwa di gift ki dintwa ki di followers tsa bona nna ai lona le hlotse hle ai ana ke so bone followers tsa ka tse setse a lona le gopo ampihle yo a ini khohlakele ai a lona le hlotse a lona le followers tsa ka only one person a kile ka nromella tšhelete a re moruti November, you are helping me so much. Are the motivations how the toto di buang. Are you are like a counselor? Are you are a motivational? Are you are a therapy? You are in umbrella. Are go rumela chelde kyan rumela. Luna tabeli ditsi mona le panya le petile ke tsa le tlo rumela di message bo thank you. Yo hallelujah Jesus. Elantina ko ke kwa. Hai. Bege fitile ne ki bua ke re kenya ka motivate. Ke people they don't know how to motivate. Kore ha yo lo motivator. Who motivator batho ba re thusang to motivate them. Re ba appreciate them. But at the same time motivate them to what I want to motivate this person because this person want to can motivate. I want to do something for this person just to motivate. Luna I follow what saka le hlotse le do to know how monate le ki qeta o le lokisa no ba bambalo Oh, Kiano Kadila, God bless you. My Claude, Kiano Sakadila, God bless you. Hello. Le good and pick out a fellow, God bless you. Never. How not you are late, how not next. Next. Halino Reno, Dr. November, please, to see we have breakfast. Never. Never. Le shoot. I don't know shoot. Yo, Bumatep. Le Matepo Gilan Zama. Oh, God bless you. Abraham. Kia, God bless you, Murut. Get back ahead, you follow us. Tell her get back ahead, tell her God bless you. Marbona, they will never do anything for. They will never do anything. Kuri fella novi. Swara iwale take it. I'm not saying this because Kili desperate. No, I'm saying this just to the root responsibility. Because kaniti kerekaka ya mshokomela. And then kinali chelete, kinali petrol, kinali everything. But nemba kiblela fella. Lona le shoot you and pizza. Lona. God bless you. God bless you, Kia Lona. Thank you so much and stay blessed. Moros. Ashapa moto petila kikiare iwalete kiyo. Never. Luna, I live to my iwalete nix. And the number that I got guys, that's 073-202-907. Keep personal number yak, but again, kian to keep it take number yak. Yeah, 073-202-9079. That is my personal number. In our WhatsApp, in if what again, if what our fellow no man, Akuela and Chiman, Kappa Sapa Kapaki dinner, Kapaki breakfast. Your number you can keep it take 073-202-907. And let me pray for you guys. Let's make it local. Le musibeti. Kyokopa le linke kapa. Etati na fela nyane fela. Mate amanyane fela singa mangata. Ere fela. Net big nyana fela ne like this. Abon how kwetilo bobe ya mona. Beamon how kwetilo bobe ya letso hola hao mona mo pelo nya hao. Ke kopa rapela loe. Etati na fela. Big nyana kwetilo be mona. Patle iseng di mahlo mona. Hantle foheti how kwetilo be letso lao. Ke kopa rapela. Modimo wa ka ya phelang. Moya o halalelang, modimo ya tshepahalang. Modimo ya rohlolelang ka dinako tsohle ka baka la Christ. Papa ke rapela batho bana ba shebeletseng life ya ka this morning. Modimo ka ke ba rapela ka lebitso la morena Jesu lebitso le phelang. Modimo ka lokileng. Tato ka lokileng. I know hona le bana ba le down. Hona le bana ba utlwile bohloko ba banka baka la dintho tse ba di experience tseng. Modimo ka for weekend e ba tsong yo. Modimo ka ba bang hona le dintho tse ba hetileng ha ba fihla mesebetsing ba bang modimo ka lokileng ba utlwile ditaba tse bohloko. Modimo ka ke rapela ka lebitso la morena Jesu ntate ka lokileng modimo ya gona go tsumula bohloko o bo bontsha bolahlela dihele o bo replace pain ka ntho e tlisang happiness. Modimo ka ke rapela ka lebitso la Jesu Kristo na Nazareth for those modimo ka lokileng ba lemetseng ba utlwileng bohloko ba senang khotso ba senang thabo. I pray for them. Modimo ka lokileng John chapter 17 verse number 13. Modimo ka lokileng morena Jesu did the same thing. Ya re a rapele happiness and peace. Modimo ka lokileng for his disciples. I'm doing that this morning. Modimo ka lokileng for setjhaba sa. I pray ka lebitso la Jesu Kristo wa Nazareth for their peace. Modimo ka lokileng for their happiness, for the positive energy. Modimo ka ke rapela ka lebitso la Jesu wa Nazareth. Modimo ka ya lokileng I know there are things still re ke ra gona di change ka pa tseo re ka gona go di lokisa. Dear heads, modimo ka the only thing e ke kopang gore modimo ka lokileng re fa khotso re fa peace ka lebitso la Jesu this morning ka lebitso le phelang lebitso la nang le matla. Modimo ka I pray for their peace, happiness, modimo ka lokileng ke rapela re ba be ba lokolohe modimo ka lokileng ba be right kelelo tsa bona di be right moya ya bona e be right modimo ka everything yo satana na destroyile modimo ka ke restore ka lebitso la Jesu wa Nazareta papa ke rapela ka lebitso le phela modimo ka lokileng ke rapela hore start tsa bona di gotle modimo ka lokileng wherever mo ba yang teng ba ratehe ba fumane di promotion ba fumane mesebetsi ba fumane di tšhelete ba ratehe dinthong tsohle modimo ka batho ba sheba ba rate the same way Potifaro a ileng a rata Joseph modimo ka lokileng ke rapela ka lebitso la Jesu the same favor el Joseph a ileng a thola ha fihla Egypt modimo ka these people ha ba thole favor yen ka lebitso la Jesu wa Nazareta modimo ka lokileng ke a kopa ba etsetse mohlolo tshosang ka lebitso la Jesu wa Nazareta papa we thank you so much re tlotlisa lebitso la hao modimo ka lokileng ke rapela maphelo a bona ke rapela di situations ba leng ka ratso ke rapela dintho tseo ba di hlokang ke rapela dintho tseo modimo ka lokile satane le ballo ba di utswitseng ba di patile ke di gotlisetsa matsong a batho bana ka lebitso la Jesu wa Nazareta papa we thank you so much re o hlolo re o hlompha re a leboha modimo ka lokile re tlotlisa lebitso la hao le letsatsi la ka shokolena in Jesus name re a leboha ntate amen guys thank you so much. Oh my God, thank you so much and stay blessed. La bana ki film maki. Le tlo nthusa o konmaka. La bana jole ki film maki. Di demonstrations tsena tsa ka tsena di nketsa mosebetsi hle. Bona. Tshwantse ke lo hlatswa di class. Yo. If o batla o bua le nna 073 202 9079 if o batla bua le nna WhatsApp iteng 073 202 9079 le skela le bala mantsiba ka 6 o'clock the right pick le tlo go maka ntlo aka lona le tlo go maka ntlo bona na jole ke film makile ene ne ke clean go fail ya ka baka la lona lentena guys thank you so much e ba happy ya di last avoid batho ba nang le a negative energy ba avoiding o dula ka ra batho ba le jwetsang dintho tse le drainang ba avoiding guys. Thank you guys and stay blessed. I love you. Mwah, mwah.